Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss Theory multiple choice questions about database, introduction concepts. These questions are important for you. Let's see each question one by one. After completing these questions, you have to put how many you got out of theory on the comment section. The first question says, in database management system, the database management system provides A. Security, B. Backup, C. Data sharing, D. All. The answer is D. All. Database management system, it can provide security, backup, and are storing, data sharing. So all are the service which is provided by a DBMS. Question number 2. Which is relational database? A. Mongo database, B. MySQL, C. Redis, D. Neo4j. From the list of the choice, which one is relational database? B. MySQL is one of the relational database. The others are not relational databases. Question number 3. Data independence means in database: A. Data declaration, B. Data backup, C. Change structure without affecting apps, D. None. The correct answer is C. Change structure without affecting apps. Data independence means. Question number 4. Join combines A. Table, B. columns, C. rows, D. None. The join command or the join clause that combines table. Question number 5. Which join returns matching rows only? A. Inner join, B. left join, C. right join, D. full join. The correct answer is A. Inner join that returns matching rows only. Question number 6. Which join returns all rows from left tables? A. Inner join, B. left join, C. full join, D. cross join. The correct answer is B. Left join that returns all rows from the left tables. Question number 7. Which returns Cartesian product? A. Inner, B. cross, C. full, D. left. Cross is that returns the Cartesian product of the tables. Question number 8. Which is not SQL keywords? A. Select, B. Table, C. Rename, D. print. D. Print is not SQL keyword. Question number 9. Which stores metadata? A. Data dictionary, B. table, C. index, D. key. The metadata is stored by data dictionary. Question number 10. Transaction ensures A. backup, consistency, storage, none. Transaction that ensures consistency and integrity. Question number 11. ACID stands for in database management system: A. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability, B. Access control integrity data, atom control interface data, none of the above. ACID stands for in database management system: A. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Question number 12. Rollback means A. Save change, B. Undo change, C. Delete table, D. Join tables. Rollback means in database system, undo changes that restore the change. Question number 13. Commit means A. Undo, B. Delete, C. Save permanently, D. None. Commit means in database management system, save permanently. Question number 14. Deadlock occurs when A. Too many tables, B. Two transactions wait for each other, C. Slow query, none. Two transactions wait for each other, deadlock will occur. Question number 15. Which model uses parent-child? A. Network model, B. Hierarchical model, C. Relational model, D. ER model. The hierarchical model uses parent-child model. Question number 16. ER diagram shows A. Data types, B. Structure of database, C. Entity relationships, D. None. The ER, which we call it the entity relationship diagram, shows the entity relationship, the relationship of real-world objects on the diagram. Question number 17. Which command is used to remove table from the database? A. Delete, B. Drop, C. Remove, D. Truncate. The command that used to remove table from the database is drop command, that used to remove the table as well as the database. Question number 18. Which of the following is characteristics of relational database? A. Data is stored in file, B. Data is organized in table, C. Data is hierarchical, D. Data cannot be queried using SQL. The characteristics of the relational database is data is organized in table. Question number 19. What is the default sorting order of the ordered by clause in SQL? A. Ascending, B. Descending, C. Random, D. None of the above. The default sorting order of the ordered by clause in SQL is ascending order. Question number 20. What is the purpose of normalization in database? A. To increase redundancy, B. To decrease the complexity of query, C. To eliminate data anomalies, D. To store data in a flat file. The purpose of normalization in a database is to eliminate data anomalies. Thank you. Those are the all questions. Please write how many you got out of 20 questions. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bye bye.